Now let me show you how to use your ElectriCalc Pro to do wire sizing solutions. It'll give you fast, accurate table lookups for all your everyday wire sizing needs. Let me start off first by doing an all clear. I hit Set Times. It sets everything back to the default settings. It also reminds you what code year you're working in, NEC 2011. If your jurisdiction's not yet working in that, you can hit Set Preferences, and now using the plus and minus keys, I can go up and down the list of available code years that are built into the calculator. 2008, 2005, 2002, 99, all the way back to 96. Let me just go back one more, get it back to 2011, and let's set there, and we'll use it for this example. Clear that off. It also shows you a couple of the other defaults in the calculator that are always here. First off, it's 3-phase as a default. Copper wiring, 60° C insulation rating. There's also a default for the ambient temperature, which is set for 30° C, and that it's in a raceway mode as opposed to free air, so it's working off a table 310/16. So now we just enter in some volts and some amps, and we'll do some wire sizing. So say we've got 240 volts and 35 amps. Now I just press the wire size key, and it says I'm going to need an AWG number 8 copper wire size for this. Press it again. It gives you the maximum ampacity that that conductor can carry based on the code rating. You press it again. It gives you the circular mill size of that wire. You can enter it that way if you liked. And then the final press gives you the table reference, NEC table 310.15b.16. This is where this comes from. So that's for a 100% wire sizing situation. If you had a situation where you're doing maybe a motor load and you need to do it at 125% of the ampacity, you can just hit Set, because the second function of wire size says 125%. So I press that, and it says number 6 is what I need to use. You can also change the wire type at any point in time. For instance, if I hit Set 4, it takes it to aluminum, and if I had to do this in aluminum, it'd be a number 4. Let me take that back to copper. You can also change out of the default 60° C insulation rating. If you want to go to 75 or 90, you would just hit Set, and over the 7 key it says 75%. So that would take it actually to a number 8 if you're using 75. You can also change the ambient temperature. If you're working in an extreme environment, maybe it's 45° C temperature, I can go 45, set. Over the 2 it says ambient temperature. Now press the wire size, and I'm still okay with the number 8. Another way, you can actually enter wire sizes directly in. Say you got a 4-aught wire. Well, maybe you don't want to go that far. Let me show you the backspace key here. You can backspace, backspace. Say it's a 2-aught. Press that. There's the size. There's the maximum ampacity per the table, circular mills, etc. You can enter circular mills directly. Say 250,000. It's my wire size. There it is. Go through it that way. Or you can enter it as KC mills. You go 250 kilo wire size, so it just enters it a little bit quicker going in that way. You can easily change variables, play what if, different situations, and really find the optimum size conductor for the situation you're working in. So that's a quick overview on the basic wire sizing functions. For more details, you can download our user guide at www.calculated.com/support.